Hey guys, it is looking so good. They are putting the roof on as we speak. Look how awesome it looks. Yes. A lot of work going on this cul-de-sac. The good thing is by the time you guys move in, all the construction on the street will be done. So you don't have to worry about living around the construction. But let's go take a look inside and see what your backyard looks like. The gorgeous anchor plan. It's gonna be awesome. So you've got this incredible front porch. This is what it looks like from your front porch. You come on in, and you've got your office area to the left. You've got your living room. It's looking good. Lots of trees back there. And you've got your gigantic back porch. Lots of privacy back here. You don't see the other house next door from back here on your back porch. It looks so good. Good sized backyard for sure. Plenty of backyard and then plenty of space to keep all of those trees. Your telescoping doors will go here. Got your electric fireplace with the built-ins on either side. Your great big dining room. Look at all these windows in this space. And then you come over here into your primary suite. Nice and bright in here. Really nice. And your great big bathroom. You've got your double sink vanity over there. Linen closet here. Beautiful towel shower will go there. Water closet over here. And then you walk into your gigantic walk-in closet. And then you've got your laundry room connected here. And that great big storage closet there, the Costco closet, wash machine and dryer there. And this leads you out into the hall access, so you access the garage through here. Looking good. You got that extra storage there. You go up the stairs here. We'll go there in a minute. And then this comes into, you've got your pantry area here. And loads of cabinets. Then your refrigerator will go there with the little beverage station beside it. So it looks good. You've got your sink in the island with your dishwasher next to it. Really nice. Back over here, check out the guest bedrooms. You've got your second bedroom, bathroom. Oh, this is the half bath. Then you have your full bath here. That has got the shower instead of the shower tub combination. And then you have your third bedroom on this level here. That's the view. This is the view here. And then let's go upstairs. your great big unfinished storage here. Then you come into the 4th bedroom that is up here. It also has a shower up here. So there's no tub in the house. You've got your big closet there for this bedroom. And here's the view out of this bedroom window right now. Isn't that great? So there you go. What are you thinking? It is coming along quickly. Let me see the view. If you ever finish this off, you'll see what this looks like here. Just a view of the cul-de-sac. Okay, go back downstairs. And that's it. Let me know what you think. I'm excited for you guys. It's coming along quickly. I know if you had your preference, it would slow down a little bit. But it's coming along. Call me if you need anything. Bye.